During a time of social distancing, shelter in place and what appears to be global discord, we can all benefit from some good self-care. That self-care allows us to be self-reliant, positive, healthy and calm, to maintain a strong and powerful internal and external environment for ourselves, and selflessly for others. Here are some very effective tips for living powerfully through the coronavirus pandemic. Alkaline the body. When the body is in a more acidic state, metabolic waste can be harder to remove from the system, the immune system can be weakened and oxygen supply can be decreased. Therefore, an acidic body is more prone to the coronavirus. To alkaline the body means to raise the body's blood pH balance levels above neutral, which is a pH of 7. A totally acidic body will have a pH of 0, while a completely alkaline body has a pH of 14. You may test pH levels by dipping litmus paper into your saliva or urine, when you start your day, before eating or drinking anything when awakening for the day. An alkaline-based diet, regimen or body can effectively, noticeably create an environment that doesn't allow viruses to thrive in the bloodstream. Do your best to limit processed, convenient and packaged snack foods. These foods can be acidic, lowering the pH balance levels in the body. In addition, foods such as eggs, dairy and meats are also highly acidic. While most vegetables, fruit, legumes, seeds, nuts and tofu are all alkaline-promoting foods. Alkaline your water with half teaspoon of baking soda for 1 gallon of water. Add 1/4 of a freshly squeezed lemon to 2 cups of lukewarm water. Purchase and drink alkaline water or purchase an alkaline wand and follow instructions. You may also add 2 cups of the baking soda water and 1/4 of a freshly squeezed lemon into a drinking vessel, mix, and drink as a hot tea beverage every afternoon. And research, research, research. Nurture the lungs. Many of the symptoms associated with the seasonal flu are also associated with the coronavirus. However, shortness of breath is more closely associated with the coronavirus, whether it attacks the respiratory system more so than the flu virus does. Because coronavirus can resist antibiotics, it may be time to look into alternative methods. There are herbs that can actually enhance respiratory health and are also powerful enough to actually repair the lungs. Herbs are used in traditional Chinese and Ayurvedic medicine as strong, tried and true methods for holistic and powerful prevention and healing. One of the easiest, most enjoyable ways to consume most of these herbs is with tea. Schizandra berry tea is powerful enough to maintain a stable internal environment within your body, promotes oxygen supply for the cells, improve lung disorders, and potentiates the body's immune system. White tea's potency is known to fight and prevent cancerous cells, viral infections, including HIV, and harmful pathogens from forming or dwelling in the body. Some other herbs that are great for lung repair and respiratory health are licorice, panax, ginseng, lungwort, eucalyptus, lobelia, elecampane and plantain leaf. It's best to research methods of consumption and to consult a physician before trying anything new. If you feel any sensations or pains in the throat and/or begin coughing, take precaution vigilantly. Some tips include: to 1 cup of lukewarm water add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, half teaspoon of pink Himalayan sea salt or table salt and stir. Gargle the mixture, spit out, and do not swallow. Repeat, until the solution is finished. You will feel your throat begin to soothe. Boil about 4 cups of water on the stove. Add 2 tablespoons of pink Himalayan sea salt, the peels of 1 lemon, the peels of 1 orange and stir. Breathe over the steam for about 10 minutes to rejuvenate the nasal passage and airways. Please use safety measure with this method. Lift your spirit. A great way to maintain optimum health and positive energy flow during the time of the coronavirus pandemic is to exercise ways to lift your spirit. It is the quite absurd belief that diseases, illness and dysfunction are cured by pharmaceutical drugs, prescription and over-the-counter medicines. Current research and development does not have a pharmaceutical answer for the coronavirus. So, here are some tips to heal and lift your spirit. Meditation. Meditation is great for many discomforts, pains, ailments, illnesses and disorders. According to Healthline.com, through a series of studies, meditation has been found to reduce stress, control anxiety, promote emotional health, reduce age-related memory loss, help fight addictions, improve sleep, control pain, decrease blood pressure. During meditation you are allowing a reconnect with the higher aspect of yourself, which is completely happy, healthy, at ease, all-knowing, courageous, strong, abundant and powerful. It is beneficial to research ways of meditation that best resonates with you if you are not familiar with the practice. It is really simple to get started. This is really a very short list of the benefits of meditation. Aromatherapy and essential oils. An aromatherapy oil diffuser can be amazing relief and help to rebalance and rejuvenate your spirit through blending a selection of essential oils. The following blend is recommended and works extremely well when there's a need for nurturing, support and healing. Approximately an hour before retiring to bed, place a few drops of the following in an aromatherapy oil diffuser with some water. 4 drops jasmine, 4 drops rose, 4 drops neroli, 3 drops lavender, 3 drops bergamot. This blend is not only a divine scent, but allows you to sleep well, diminish anxiety and stress, and relieve tension for great rejuvenation the following morning. For a small bedroom, it's better to use half the quantity of drops. There are so many more essential oils to explore. You may also use oils separately to apply during massage or on the skin. Research more oils, and how to use them, to help lift your spirit. Reading and audiobooks. Whether you like to read or not, it is a great way to get your mind off of things and expand your knowledge base. There are some great, free books in the public domain that can be very helpful for motivation, self-development and holistic healing methods. You may be amazed at how enlightening some of these books truly are. Also, listen to any genre you'd most enjoy. You can easily learn new things that go beyond the coronavirus and shelter in place. Some great books in the public domain or free by other means that can get you started are Think and Grow Rich, Napoleon Hill. Thoughts Are Things, Prentice Mulford. A Guide to Health, Mahatma Gandhi. As a Man Thinketh, James Allen. Quit Your Worrying, George Wharton James. Science of Being Well, Wallace D. Wattles. These are all powerful reads that can truly help lift your spirit. The principle of health is moved by faith, nothing else can call it into action, and only faith can enable you to relate yourself to health, and sever your relation with disease, in your thoughts. If you fear disease, dread disease, have doubts about your safety from disease, or if you even contemplate disease, you will connect yourself with it and create its forms and motions within you. The potency, or creative power, of a thought is given to it by the faith that is in it. Wallace D. Wattles. The Science of Being Well. Some may argue that there isn't any evidence to prove that these methods work against the coronavirus. However, there isn't any evidence to the contrary. You too are a great healer. Here's to life beyond the coronavirus. Namaste.